Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ClickBank account settings for faster payouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your ClickBank account settings for faster payouts, first, log in to your ClickBank account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. In the Account Settings, look for the Payment Information tab. Click on the Payment Information tab to review your current payout details. Make sure your payment method is set to either direct deposit or check. If you need to modify your payment method, click on the Edit button next to your current payment option. Fill in any required fields if you choose direct deposit, including your bank account details. Be sure to double-check your bank routing number and account number for accuracy. Once you have everything filled in, click on Save Changes to update your payment method. Next, head over to the Account Information tab. Verify your personal details such as your name, address, and email address. Correct any inaccuracies to ensure your account is up to date. Now, return to the Payment Information tab to check if your payment threshold is set appropriately. A lower payment threshold can lead to faster payouts. Adjust the threshold if needed by clicking the Edit button. Confirm your changes by clicking on Save Changes again. If available, opt into ClickBank's Fast Pay option to accelerate your payout process. Ensure all verification documents are submitted and approved by ClickBank. Finally, review all your settings one last time for completeness and accuracy. This comprehensive check will help facilitate faster payouts from your ClickBank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.